inside the big jar. Puppy Cam waiting on the dog, laugh from afar. Puppy Cam walks along the street. Puppy Cam laughs, the day so sweet. Bad Wolf rides his bike so fast. Bad Wolf makes the water splash. Puppy Cam climbs the bus with cheer. Puppy Cam smiles, the trip is near. Bad Wolf climbs with a naughty grin. Bad Wolf laughs as he steps right in. Bad Wolf walks to Cam's small seat. Bad Wolf smirks, his plan complete. Bad Wolf teases and pokes at Cam. Puppy Cam cries, can't stop the pain. Puppy Cam sobs with tears that flow. Puppy Cam feels so sad and low. The bus arrives with a joyful sound. Puppy Cam and Wolf step on the ground. Teacher Dog says don't go too far. Teacher Dog guides like a shining star. Bad Wolf sneaks to the woods so deep. Bad Wolf falls in a hole with a leap. Bad Wolf cries, please help me out. Bad Wolf sobs and shouts about. Teacher Dog and Cam both run. Puppy Cam says, we'll help you, son. Puppy Cam finds Wolf down below. Bad Wolf whimpers with tears that flow. Puppy Cam lifts with all his might. Bad Wolf clings and holds on tight. Bad Wolf says, I'm sorry, friends. Bad Wolf learns his ways to mend. Puppy Cam smiles, they both feel free. Bad Wolf laughs with new harmony. Bad Wolf holds like for all to see. Puppy Cam sub for the next story.